A motor vehicle belonging to the Mashonaland West Senator and former Cabinet Minister Priska Mupfumira was seized at gunpoint in Harare's Avonde West, police said. Salamina mashoko atona kuti aiwa tona kuti magunmen aiwa anosaiza the Zanu PF Senator Priska Mupfumira ska tiona kuti aiwa vanobva abductor driver anoti subscriber like out on the bell kuti mina pana pamuna utona mubuda muchinzi. The incident took place at around 7 a.m. on December 11 after Mupfumira sent a driver Edmore Mashasha to collect church uniforms from tailors at an address on Ascot Road. Mashasha, who was driving a royal blue Isuzu double cab with registration AGA 6969, was waiting for the gate to be opened when men armed with pistols swarmed the vehicle. Domashukana mudanyira panapa tisinganonoki topinda panapa mcomment section satapinda tona this was the motor vehicle, this blue Isuzu, and then panapa tona mcomment section vanobudanyira chiti kubira vanhu veZanu PF chisi chitadzo because tinenge tichitora mari dzedu dzetax. Vanobudanyira chiti I do not trust this woman, hope she is not up to something again. Mwanopenda chiti he is doing the Lord's work. Mwanopenda chiti another deal gone wrong. There must be more to this story chete. Gunmen at 7 a.m. selling just a car in the broad daylight. Tomashoko atona kuti people they are now no longer trusting the regime and they are happy vachiona macases aiwa atona kuti anenge achiataka vakomana with the ruling party Zanu PF just because people are not happy noda kuti zvagara nyika macho amuna mabasa. But you see that very government, the same government, ichiimpose tax kune vanhu vasiri kushanda. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.